Good morning, everyone. I just wanted to present an idea of us creating an avatar, maybe, as we do storytelling and as we just get silly with our kids. Here's an avatar I made from home. I put beads on the head. I took this random bottle and I put a dress on, and then today I tried to dress like my avatar. Yeah, yeah. I can, change the clothes on this too. And then what this really is, it's a random donation a friend gave me. It's this like random manatee. And then I just put, it's a manatee for tea. And then I just put a face on it, and then I put hair on her. And then I put her in a bottle. And she is now my avatar for when I am teaching the kids and being silly. So, if you want to join me with an avatar tomorrow as we do our presentation, it might be fun. All right, just a thought.